Hello, and welcome to part one of creating your Fresh Direct distribution center. So we're going to begin by creating just the general layout for it, some exit and entrance doors, and our docking doors for where trucks come in. So I'll just take you on a little tour of this distribution center, but please use your own creativity to come up with something different. So here we have different types of doors, and these are in OSHA standards. We have our in dock doors here, where our trucks will dock. We also have two revolving doors in the front, which is our main entrance, and a parking lot in the center with some trees. What we have on this side, also two entrances and exit doors, and docking doors for trucks to come out. So around the entire building, we are following OSHA standards where we have two doors, not two doors, but at least one door every 400 feet. However, I decided to add two doors on each side because if someone needed to walk to an entrance or exit, walking 400 feet can be a bit of a distance. So let's get started. And what we also have in here, I created a partial second floor, which we can house a lot more office and conference rooms up there as well. So let's get started. So we're gonna open a new SketchUp, and using the rectangle tool, I'm going to draw out the dimensions for my total distribution center, which is 500,000 square feet. And I'm just going to click anywhere and then type in the number 707 feet using the apostrophe sign, comma 707 apostrophe, and then enter. Okay, so this is the size of my distribution center, the total area. And let's just go back to our project requirements. And we see that we can now check this off. Yes, it is 500,000 square feet totaled. So no more than 75 feet high. A partial floor is allowed. So we can do that later, similar to how you created your bedroom. Our entrances and exits, 28 inches wide by 7 feet 6 inches high. And again, you can do that double door, single doors, or fancy revolving door, which I'll show you how to create that. So looking at our docking measurements, what it says here is that we need to allow around 125 feet to 165 feet for the truck depth, meaning the total length of the truck to pull in and pull out of that docking area right here. So I'm going to use those measurements to help me create my distribution center. And I'm going to use the tape measure tool and clicking from the outside and then using the measure to measure around 165. So I'm just going to type in the number 165 and then feet and then press enter. I'm also going to do this for this side, 165 feet, and then enter. That way I know trucks can safely come in and out on both sides. I'll also do this on the third side, but can always change this later on if I decide. And I'm going to make this one maybe 150 feet, just a little shorter. Okay. And now using my rectangle tool, I'm going to draw my actual distribution center. And I'm not going to put it directly to the edge because I do want a little space for trucks and cars to be able to drive around the entire distribution center. And then using my push-pull tool, and again confirming our measurements, no more than 75 feet high. And with 75 feet high, we can safely put a partial second floor, which will be nice. So using my control key, I'm going to hit the control key, and then using the push-pull tool, click down and pull up my distribution center and just type in 75 feet and enter. Using my select tool, I'm going to click on the top face and then press delete to delete. So now I'd be able to work inside and start to create my doors for my entrances and exits.